What's up, adventure family? So I'm cutting wood, right? Except for this is over like a space. Hold on. It sits right there and it comes across there and lands there. So I'm trying to cut out a wedge, so that when I actually cut through the bottom, I don't pinch a blade or nothing. I'll be honest, I don't really know what the hell I'm doing. I'm just doing, you know what I mean? Get it done. Boots in the background there. I'm gonna keep working on this, but I'm sure there are gonna be some like chainsaw masters in the comments in my video here telling me that I'm doing something wrong.